doesn't matter.
Yeah,
Enjoy
because
because this is not because of my product, yeah. This is different, very different with another tuak
Yeah.
in other places.
yeah.
You know, when I drink and drunk with the Tobali Tuak Takasan, when I'm wake up, fresh. I think.
Yeah,
I
you
think
don't
fresh
have
as-
like hangover
hangover in
headache
my
or something. Yeah.
not like another tuak. But
No
this one
headache.
is itu dijawab dulu pakai bahasa Batak.
Apa?
Eda borsitorus bagi jola sauti tuak mi tabodo katanya.
Tabo, tabo,
Tabo, not tabo, not tabo, tabo.
tabo,
Little,
Tabo
little bit
tabo,
speed
more
ya.
down.
Yeah. Tabo. Yeah,
Tabo.
not slowly. Tabo. Not tabo.
Tabo yan.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Dua.
Okay, ya. Okay, mau dimaklumi ya. You have to say to kamera. Say sorry. No, ya. Okay.
Boru hasihanku. Sada poto maharuan na boy makaholo iho. So na hubay tuho.
Just make it make like one advertising. You can talk by Batak language or also English language. Yeah. What you can say by Batak language you can say, but also by English also. Doesn't
In
matter. Okay.
English, I would say check out this duo
Okay.
because
Okay.
Yeah.
it's really good. Even
No,
I
one
don't.
more.
Huh?
You can say one more. Okay.
Yeah. You should order this duo because it's really good. I really like it. I could drink it all the time.
Oke, oke, thank you. So, terima kasih buat teman-teman. Itu aku Dameria Hutauruk. Sorry nggak bisa diulangin lagi karena ini harus diantar tuanya juga udah terlambat itu aku ya. Mulai itu udah. Sorry, next time kita pasti live lagi. Lagu Martina. Kebetulan tadi udah dinyanyikan itu aku ya. Ya, udah dinyanyikan. Mau lihat lagu Salam Horas Good Luck. Oke, thanks for everyone watching our live Facebook. Mau lihat
Mauliate.
tetap mah salam
Bisoy.
Li
Lisoy.
Lisoy.